So here we are at the end of the show, and bit is what I call the miracle of the loaves and fishes in reverse, where 4 gardeners try to cram 40 million plants into 4 very small suitcases. And as you can see, tricks of the trade going on there. So what's the main principle here, Liga?
It's to get all them in. Don't ask me so difficult questions.
Are you taking off the soil?
Yeah, I will, because it's a bit too big, so I will take and leave the actual pot, so just put it in the bag to keep roots together, not shake them around. And now, here's my work. They actually work.
So I've had to take lots of compost off. I need to reduce it from this to this.
Right.
Or smaller if possible. I've had to break my stem.
Oh
to get it in
no.
the suitcase.
You did that yourself, Deborah?
I did that myself, and then we go to the cling film.
Okay.
The problem is we have bags of compost
Yes.
in the courtyard of a pub, and I'm not quite sure what we're supposed to do with them. Are there any empty looking planters around?
There, right in front of you.
Okay. Oh yes.
All lined up.
So tell us about the miracle of the cling film, Christina.
Oh, it just reduces everything and prevents leaves from breaking and stems from breaking. Easy, wrap it up. That's it. And prevents soil from falling into your suitcase and destroying everything.
Very good.
That's it.
This is a lot of wet compost. So my key thing is to try to get the weight down in my case, because I've checked my case in, and so I can only take 10 kilos. Whereas Christina's more about getting the size down than the weight down, because she's taken her case onto the aeroplane with her.
Yeah.
And they're not going to weigh her case.
I know what that happens.
Big guys and girls.
Christina's got the big boys to see now.
Oh gosh. What's that with the monocot leaves? Is
This
it a poker?
Nymphofia.
Ah, very nice.
Coffee Timothy, it's a lovely peachy colour. But I asked the lady at the counter to put off the flowers.
And it's a small growing one with neat leaves, I take it.
It's the all nice plant.
Yeah,
Really nice. Kind of peachy, apricot-y,
very good.
unusual Nymphofia.
You're gonna have to cut that, aren't you? Maybe you can.
Just trying up to here maybe.
Yeah, you can keep some of the
So
flowers,
these ones-
maybe.
I don't know about this one.
We don't have a scissors or anything, do we?
No, we don't. Oh well, here it goes. This one up as well. Here.
I don't know if I dare look at this bit. Oh!
Is that right? No,
That's what I
didn't
had
want
to
to
do
come
as
off.
well.
Gimme,
Oops.
gimme.
There now. It's parrot as well. It's gorgeous.
Crimes against plants, huh?
Indeed. A bit of extra steaking for someone. It's exactly the same one.
You got 2 of the same?
Yes.
Which echinacea is it, Christina?
It's echinacea parrot.
Parrot.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gorgeous.
Which ones did you get, Deborah?
So I got parrot as well, and I got green twister.
Oh, that was nice.
That was
wasn't it?
really nice.
Yeah.
Sensation pink, and oh, this was gorgeous. Sunseekers orange.
That was
Ah.
really orange.
Really orange.
And these are mine. It's going to be a double, right? Except I do have this one here, which is just a little bit long.
It's not the oil.
And it all has to go into this bag here. But we gardeners travel light, very few clothes, right girls?
That's right.
Yeah.
all of
Who
them
needs
are.
clothes? Nice Sarracenia.
Oh, thanks. That's very nice. And this is gonna be nice. Bronzy. Beautiful.
Super.
Tape. A color. It's like gemstone. Can make ring from it, right? Beautiful.
So what you gonna do with that angel?
Just go on to break it.
No!
Have nothing, no scissors, no nothing. Oh,
And of course these are herbaceous plants, aren't they? So it's not
Yes.
going to damage the plant.
not at all. It's just going to come up from leaf axils. In fact, you can see the buds here.
Uh-huh.
So in a week or two, we'll be flowering again. Yeah, there, David.
And which dahlia is that?
This is Dahlia Mystic Fantasy.
It's gorgeous, isn't it? The dark,
Dark
foliage
foliage and
is really,
orange.
really spectacular.
That's it, reduced. Perfect.
Good to go?
Absolutely, wrap it up and that's it.
It won't fit. Oh, and I mustn't forget this one. I'm going to have to break this round about here. And I don't have a secateurs or anything, so we just have to do like Christina did. I know, it's brutal, isn't it? But they will grow back. This is just a perennial plant. This is just top growth. The root is intact. And it'll be grand. Won't it, Christina? Be perfect. Tough stems. Okay. Right. Good to go. See, fits like a glove.
Happy, yeah?
Yeah.
Well done.
I need a medal
Thank you.
or a drink.
Some of the leaves have folded over a little bit, but it's not going to do any harm.
Yeah.
They'll be
As long as
perfectly
they
fine.
don't kind of bend
Yeah.
or just bounce back.
Absolutely.
You did well.
No. And I precious just goes there in the backpack.
And there's me. Good to go.